Hi guys, this is Mr. C. So I want to do a little review about this juice smoothie maker that I just bought. So in this last month, I was really looking online for something I could use to blend my protein shake. I had one which just got bad and I needed a replacement, so I saw a whole lot of smoothie maker online, but with things that you see online, you're not sure about the quality. You're not really certain if they actually work, if they do work like the way it was said on the description. So you want to be sure. So I decided that okay, I've seen some blenders online, but I'm just going to walk into the mall and try to see what I could find there. So yeah, I walk into the mall here in Urijaza, and there's this small media mart at the side. I'm going to see what I can find there, and yeah, I got this for a really cheaper price, about 8,600 off. That's Hungarian forint. And I'm just going to do the embossing. It's already almost embossed, but here these are the manuals, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, and it has this cover for the cups. It has 2 cups in it, wrapped in here. That looks good. They even have a measuring description here. So this is what it looks like. And the name of this brand is Koenic. Koenic. Okay, this might not be the right way to pronounce it, but you get the scope. And there's a mini blender or smoothie maker. And so it has 2 bottles of containers, if I may say. It has 2 of it, and it's actually cool. I think you can go out with this. You can really take this out. And the size is 600 ml. That's the maximum size. And this is the engine. So if you're looking to buy something, I don't know, for juice, to make some juice, and you saw this online and you're not sure what it really looks like in real, that's the point of this video. You can really see what it looks like in real before you walk into the shop or before you place your order online. And yeah, this is the motor, and the motor is okay, ART KBL350. That's the model. And as I said, it comes with a 1-year warranty, and it has 2 cups inside, 2 blending container. And this is the motor here. It has a start button. It's really beautiful. It's gorgeous, I must say, and it feels really solid. So guys, that is it. And this is a blade that it comes with. I'm going to couple it so you can see a really good view of the blade. This is a blade that it comes with, and just a standard blade. So yeah, if you have any question, you can just leave your question in the comment section. So this is the description, and the power is 350 watts, I believe. 350, yeah, I think. 220, yeah, 350 watts. That's the power. 350 watts. And here we go, guys. Until next time, see you in the next video. Ciao.